Kyocera Document Solutions South Africa, with its headquarters in Johannesburg, is a country-level subsidiary of Kyocera and responsible for the marketing, sale and distribution of award-winning office automation technology and intelligent software solutions throughout Southern Africa. Offering extensive expertise in all areas of document output, Kyocera is renowned for its tailor-made office solutions that provide a perfect blend of premium products, software solutions, and services that increase an organization's workflow efficiency, enhance employee productivity, minimize environmental impact, and significantly reduce operating costs.